Hello students, welcome to Examora, your smart way to prepare for the exams. So welcome back to our revision session on lines and anchors. I hope you all complete your exercises and practice questions from the last classes. So now we can start our revision with a quick look at the most important concepts and formulas you need to ace your exams. Choose the correct option. Question number 1. How many degrees does the hour hand of a clock turns in 5 hours? Options 150, 120, 90, 180. So, a clock is a full circle of 360 degree, representing 12 hours. Okay? So for this, degree per hour 360 divided by 12. 360 divided by 12, the answer is 30 degree. So in 5 hours, here are they are asking 5 hours. What in 5 hours? 30 degree. We can say 13 degree into 5. So 30 into 5, it is 150. So the answer here, 150. Okay. Second question. If two angles are complementary, their sum is 90 degree. If one angle is x and the other is 2x, what is the value of x? So, here we can write one equation. That is x plus 2x is 90 degree. Okay, we have to find the x. So x plus 2x is 3x. 3x is 90 degree. So x is 90 divided by 3. The answer is 30 degree. So here the value of x is 30 degree. So if two angles are complementary, their sum is 90. If one is x, the other is 2x. So we can find the value of x. The x is 30 degree. Clear? Question number 3. Which of the following statement is false? A line segment has a definite length. Yes, the line segment has a definite length. This statement is true. B. A ray has 2 endpoints. So, a ray has only one endpoint and extends infinitely. In the other direction, it has only one endpoint only. So, here they are mentioning the ray has 2 endpoints. So, this sentence is false. Let's read the next one also. A line has no endpoints. It is true. An angle is formed by 2 rays. Yes, what angle is formed by 2 rays? 2 rays forms an angle. It is correct. So all these are correct. The answer is B. B is wrong. Fourth question. Find the value of y if the angle is straight, that is 180 degree, and is divided into two angles measuring 45 degree and y is dash. So we can write here 45 degree plus y, that is 180 degree straight angle. Okay? So from here we can find y. Y equals 180 minus 45. 180 minus 45, that is 135. 135 degree. This is the answer. So option B. Next question. Name all the line segment in the adjoining figure. So here is the figurative representation. The question is, you have to name all the line segment. So we can name all the line segments in this figure. First we can start with AB, line segment AB, then BZ, CD, BA. Okay, here line segments AB, BC, CD and BA. Okay, Then AF, FB, DE, EC. Clear? Next line segment AF, FB, DE and EC. Okay. Next, diagonals AC and DB, AC and DB. Clear? So how many line segments are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 line segments are from this figure. Clear? Second question, how many points does the given figure have? So in this given figure, we can find out the points. So point A, point B, point C, point O, point D, point E, and point F. Okay, you can write here. Clear? Question number 3. If one of the acute angles of a right triangle is 65 degrees, what will be the other acute angle? So, to find the missing angle, we can subtract the known angle from 90 degrees. Because we have to subtract to 90 degrees because it is a right angle triangle. So, we can write 90 degree 90 degree minus the known angle 65 degree. So the answer is 25 degree. So that the acute angle is 25 degree. Next question, how many degrees are there in 4 right angles? So, for 4 right angles, one right angle is 90 degree. We all know that one right angle is 90 degree. So for every 4 right angles, we can say 90 into 4. 90 into 4, that is 360 degree. So there are 360 degrees in 4 right angles. Clear? Next question. In the figure, if CD is perpendicular to AB, then angle CDB equals dash, angle ADC equals dash. So, let's look at this figure. Figure AB, the line AB, CD is perpendicular. So, for angle ACDB, for angle CDB is, yes, we know it is 90 degree, right? It is 90 degree because a perpendicular line creates a 90 degree angles on both sides of intersection point. Okay, note this point, a perpendicular line creates a 90 degree angle on both sides of intersection point. So, angle CDB is a right angle triangle that is 90 degree. Similarly, angle ADC also, here also 90 degree. So we can write here 90 degree. Clear? Test question. If the sum of the measure of 2 equal angles is equal to that of a straight angle, then what is the measure of each one of them? So to find the solution, we can break it down as so for a straight angle, the measure is 180 degree. We all know this. Since there are 2 equal angles that are added up to a straight angle, so we can write the equation as x plus x is 180 degree. X plus x 2x is 180. X is 180 divided by 2, that is 90 degree. So each angle measures 90 degree, which is a right angle. We already know if it is a straight angle, the one angle is 90 degree, the other angle is 90 degree. 190 plus 90, that is 180. Clear? This is a step-by-step explanation. So that's all for today. Everyone, please take a look at these practice questions and ensure you practice them well. Don't forget to review each and every question we have discussed up until now, so your concept stays perfectly clear. And we will meet in our next video where we will start a new chapter. Until then, goodbye, have a nice day and happy learning.